in Excel Beginner, we are really only looking at basic Excel formulas. And the next formula that we want to do is we want to count. So let's go to cell B13 and let's type in the word count. Hit the tab button. And what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our FX, and count is there. We're going to click on count, and then we're just going to select our range. Hit enter. We've got 5 entries, and it should be the same for the rest of the formulas as well. Click on count. There we go. It should give us 5. Click on count for March. Should give us 5. There we go. Now I want to insert a row, and this is something we've not yet done. So to insert a row, let's select row 14, and I can either go right click, insert, or I can go from the keyboard control and then the plus sign, the control minus sign to remove it. And let's add another one, and we say count A. Now count only works for numerical values, but if I now want to do the count function on alpha, it returns the value of 0 because it will only count numeric. So what we need to do is let's delete that. Let's go back into our count insert function, and then we can look for count, and count is count A, and it's not there. So in our search for a function, let's highlight everything. Let's type in count A. Let's click go, and there is count A. We select our range, click on OK, and then we get 5 as well.